I'm Warren Mendez, and today I'm going to show you how to make very easy blender banana bread pancakes. So I've taken two of my favorite things in the world, banana bread and pancakes, and mashed them together. So this recipe is incredibly easy. You can do it in seconds. Pancakes you can eat any time of the day, before a meal, after a meal, during a meal, so whatever you want. First of all, we've got to start off with very ripe bananas. Also, if you haven't noticed, I'm wearing my banana apron today and a banana knife. Just thinking of the vibe. Anyway, so into our blender. You could also use a food processor if you want, because we do want that banana bread flavor. I am using some brown sugar as well, just to pump it up. Then just with some melted butter, 1 whole egg, and then some milk. Whenever you're cooking, especially baking in that, always use full cream milk. Never, 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 never use skim milk. You need the fat in there. And then we're going in just with some vanilla bean paste. And as always, a pinch of salt. And then for our dry ingredients, we've got some ground cinnamon, and then I've got some plain flour. And what is going to give them their rise is quite a lot of baking powder. And then only one thing to do, blitz it all up. Now, no matter how good your blender is, you're probably still gonna need to give it a bit of an encouragement. So you just use a spatula, scrape down the sides to make sure everything is getting mixed in. And then just give it a final blitz until the mixture is nice and smooth. Okay, so pancake mix done. I've just got a little bit of melted butter. We're just gonna go over low heat. And then using about a 1/4 cup or so of mixture at a time, just gonna go in and start in the center and then let it fall out and form its shape as a pancake. All we're gonna do now is wait until you'll see little bubbles rise to the surface. As soon as those bubbles have come to the surface, it means ready for a flip. Done. So pancakes are done. If you want to keep them warm, as I said, put them in the oven. But now comes the good part, the eating. So I reckon a stack of 4. 4's pretty good. 4 per person, 6 per person. If you want, you can eat the whole thing, it doesn't really matter. While they're still warm, some extra butter on top. Lots of golden syrup or maple syrup or whatever you want to use. I'm gonna go on with a few nuts and have a few more pieces. And my little thing, which is totally optional, a little bit of salt. Kind of gives it that salted caramel vibe on top of all that golden syrup. These pancakes are mega soft, look at that. It's like a banana cloud, packed full of flavor, incredibly easy. 3 simple steps: blend, cook, and serve. Promise you're gonna love this recipe. Banana bread, pancakes, mashed together to create absolute heaven for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So if you'd like this recipe, head to delicious.com.au.